Hello and welcome to a walkthrough of MyMaths task, equations 1 step 1733, solving equations. Okay, so let's look at the equations. So it starts off with n take away 1 equals 3. Now what we want to do is undo this side, so we just get n by itself, and the way to undo a take away 1 is just to add it onto the other side. So if I just add 1 over here, I'll just have n equals 4. And that's it for that question. Okay, let's go. Y take away 3 equals 9. How do I undo take away 3? I just add 3 to the other side. So I get y equals 9 add 3 is 12. The next question, m plus 3 and then the 8. Now they're the wrong way around really. So all I'll do is I'll just flip them around. So m plus 3 equals 8. So now I've got the unknown on the left where I really want it. Now to undo this plus 3, I'll just take away the 3 and I'll have m equals 5. End of that one. To undo this plus 14 over here, I'm just going to take away 14 from this side. I'll take away 14 and t is going to equal 20 take away 14 is 6. To undo the take away 8, I just add 8 to the other side. Q equals 16. And the last one, to undo this 14 here, I'll just take off the 14 from the other side. And I'll be left with g equals 12. 26 take away 14 is 12. So that's that one. Going down this mess here. A centre seat costs £15 less than an aisle or a window seat. £15 less. A window seat or an aisle seat costs £8 and a centre seat costs £216. So let's read that again. £15 less than an aisle seat. So if the aisle seat's A, if I do A take away £15, then I get the cost of the centre seat, and the centre seat we knew was £216, so 216 must go there. And then to figure out what A is, I just got to undo this take away 15 just by adding 15 over here, and I'll have £231 for the aisle seat, and that's that one sorted. Okay, got to read the question a couple of times to get in your head what's going on. Turn over the page. Let's move this over. Are we in view? No. Yes. No. Hello. Hello. Okay, here we go again. Right, so we're starting off with b times by 7 equals 35. How do we undo times by 7? We divide by 7. And that'll undo that one. So b is going to equal 5. I will use a calculator at some point. There's nothing saying I can't use a calculator, so why ever not? How do I undo divide by 11? I'll multiply by 11 on the other side. So v is going to equal 55. 10c. Now 10c just means 10 times by c. So how do I undo this timesing by 10? Just divide by 10, the answer. So c is going to equal 9. This one, 8w means 8 times by w. So how do I undo this multiplying by 8? I just divide by 8, and at this point I will grab a calculator because I don't want to make any silly mistakes on this one. So the calculator, switch it on, 2,800 divided by 8, and the answer is 350, so equals 350. How do I undo divide by 7? X divided by 7 equals 11, so I just times it by 7, so x equals 77. And the last question, u over 8. Now u over 8 means u divided by 8. So the way we write this. So how do I undo this dividing by 8 on the bottom? I just multiply the other side by 8 and I get u equals 40. And then that's the end of that lot. Okay, down to the big wordy question. So look at what this is all about. Maybe read it a couple of times to make sure you've got it in your head. The number of photos a memory stick holds is the memory stick's capacity. C, okay, divided by the size of each photo. So C divided by the size of the photo is the number of photos it holds. So that's where we're at. The size of each photo is 4, so it's the capacity divided by the size of the photo. So the capacity C divided by 4 megabytes is the number of photos it holds, so that's equal to 2,349 apparently. Now to find C, I've got to undo this dividing by 4, undo that by multiplying by 4, definitely get hold of the calculator. 2349 multiplied by 4, and the answer is 9396, so 9,396. 96. And that is equations 1 step. Have fun.